Is í arnal na Gaelscolaíochta ceann den réimsí oideachas is mó fáis le breis agus 3 bliana nús, agus tá Gaelscoil na teoranta chun tosaí san Albert sin. Tá Gála Ferbert thóláthair iar-bhunscoil na lán Ghaeilge nó Gaelscolaíochta margheall ás I líon na Gaelscoilne ag an bhunleibhéal. Tá na Gaelscolaíochta seo oscailte d'aon na beag beán chúlra cultúra nó religiúnach. Chur an Gaelscolaíochta cosú le na scoilne eile, takeíocht fáil déanana le deacrachtaí foghlaimithe nó le riachtanais speisialta. Cuirtar fáilte ribhghaltaí a drastal bhunscoil na Béarla agus curfar takeíocht bhreise teanga fáil.
Is cinnte go léile bhean de scoil na Langaigh go fi láthair. Néideag 73 nar thosaí mar agriocht hí 5 iar-bhunscoil agus 10 bhunscoil Langaige sa Thiar seo agus ag an buide seo tá mé túscotí 170 bhunscoil agus 2 iar-bhunscoil. Am líana tá mé de gobar le timpeall 5 grúpa agsúla tá géirí iar-bhunscoil a bhanú.
Is tábhacht a thuiscint nach bhfuil sa bhunscoilíocht lán Ghaeilge ach lechuid den cháras Oideachais. Is í teanga na bhunscoilíochta, bunchlach forbartha na scileanna sofisticiúla smaointeoireachta agus commerceáide ag leibhéal na níor-bhunscoilíochta. Cuirtar leis an teagmháil agus an tuiscint atá ag daltaí chultúir na hÉireann I rith an tréimhse seo chomh. With dedicated and engaging teaching staff, creating a positive learning environment through implementing the school's immersion programmes, many more children are choosing an Irish medium education.
In the Gaelscoil, I've noticed over the last 10 years that the students participate greatly in sport, in art and music, especially the music, and quite a number of the students have played in the National Concert Hall very recently, and there was a school concert last year also in Vicar Street, at which quite a number of the students played in front of a very large crowd.
Yeah, being surrounded show being really down with Frankish agus down with an Gaeloideachas Béal Comhairle tá spéis mar ag an scoil go léir Frankish agus tá díospartaí Frankish siúil ag an séomh líon faoi láthair.
Hi, my name's Kathleen Ui Ghriofa. I'm from Carlow and I go to Gaelscoileanna TEO. Because of that, I have a lot of interest in Irish. Irish is probably my favourite subject, along with maths. I enjoy singing and ballet.
Gaelscolaíochta have become renowned for their academic, sporting, artistic and musical achievements. As with English language secondary schools, Irish medium schools provide a wide-ranging curriculum, including science and IT subjects.
I have about 20 years teaching experience, and over the course of those 20 years, I have seen the advantages of an education through the medium of Irish. It gives something a little extra to the students and prepares them well for life in the future. And of course, as we move into the 21st century, there are so many more opportunities for students than heretofore through the medium of Irish.
Their attitude towards languages is very modern. It's very they have a really broad outlook on languages, and they seem to grasp it really quickly and easily, and they seem to have a natural feel for languages.
Ceapan go sin níos an darags an tríú teanga a fálam mar ag tús bliana a hain ar bhí muid ag fálam Germánis freisin le haine raibh. Bhí mé go maith ag Germánis freisin agus tá go maith ag Frankish agus tánaíonn Frankish ag Gaeilgeachas Béal.
Research shows that when students have to use 2 languages on a regular basis, that opens up their mind and it generally improves their problem-solving skills. It shows that they have to be more alert, and when these skills are developed, it helps them in other subjects such as maths and physics, where these skills are very important.
Tá deise go leor daltaí leanúnta rá le na good Gaeloideachas ag an tríú leibhéal, le breis agus 100 chóirsa fáil, idir cuasaí Gaeilge, cuasaí trí Gaeilge agus módúil Gaeilge. Tá fás leanúnach líon na gcomharsaí seo agus bhéidireachtaí iarchéime agus taide chomh.
Fionntar's been around for 15 years, so we have graduates out there who have left college 10, 11 years ago, and I can really safely say that they are different. In addition to them being prepared to work in other cultures, as well as working here in Ireland, a lot of them do go and work in Irish language organisations or work in jobs where they need to use Irish.
I've often been told by employers as well that having Irish and doing the course that I've done through Irish makes me very employable.
But one of the aspects I found most important about my 3rd level degree was the challenge that the Irish language provided, in that not only were we learning computer languages, which was new for me, but we were learning computer languages through the medium of Irish.
Cuidian buntáistí an Oideachais leis na daltaí Gaelscolaíochta a héan díreach isteach busnaine, dul san iomaíocht sa Gaeilge ar fasachta nua. Aithnítear scileanna Comhairle féilsithe, breis féin bhuinín, scileanna réitethe faibe, féinúlacht cinntethe, agus cruthach I meas na montáistí seo.
Well, I'm currently working through the medium of Irish. Since I've left school, I have always worked through the medium of Irish in a whole array of different jobs. I worked in the business sector. I'm currently working in developing youth services for children, for young people with Irish. Prior to that, again, I worked in a school. So I mean, without Irish, I just would not have been able to do any of these jobs.
Having Irish is a useful economic tool in an increasingly competitive workplace and across a wide variety of careers, from media, IT and law to public service. Sin is tanga Oifigiúil Ibre a níis í an Ghaeilge san Aontas Eorpach chomhairle le Francais, Spanish agus Germanish I d'fhirmí iar-bhunscoil in Institiuid an Aontais.
We asked the European Commission would they send in somebody to speak about the opportunities, and the Dublin office said this is such an issue for us in hiring people who can do work for us in the European Commission. We're flying somebody in for you from Brussels who will be able to speak about the problems we have in recruiting enough people who have Irish to work as lawyer linguists, to work as administrators, to work as translators, interpreters. So even in an international field, they're crying out for people who can actually do a lot of this work with the language.
Léiríonn réimse leathan taide go bhfuil neart buntáistí eile leis an dáthangachas a bhíonn mar thoradh ar an gáras Oideachais ina measc buntáistí teangolaíochta, oideachais agus sóisialta don Feirste.
Tá job an má dénta tréis 7 mbliana nó 8 mbliana sa bhunscoil ach nílach tús maith leat na Hibre agus ní lánach leat na Hibre is tóga. Má leanann siad a Raig, déanann siad tuile forbarthair an deanga, fóla má siad scileanna acadúil. Rud eile tá anna hábhachtach na beag sóisialú arsúla có insantanga, beag siad a chur ar gcuoine trí Gaeilge agus beidir go méid na carda sinna có ar feadh saoil agus is am anna hábhachtach i bhforbairt an duine. Má agan siad tréis na bhunscoile beag lífach sa Gaeilge acu ach mar bhfuil teagháil réalta có leis an teanga, beidir go gaiile siad chuidas na scileanna sin mar sin dar lom tá sé fíorhabhachtach leanann de Raig an chur bar feabhas ar an lífacht agus ar an commas atá bainte mac acu.
For further information about Irish medium education in the Republic of Ireland, please contact Gaelscoileanna TEO, phone 01 853 5195 or email ifig@gaelscoileanna.ie or visit our website www.gaelscoileanna.ie.